Hello again. Welcome to lesson number 8. In this lesson, we will be looking at how do I become a business analyst? What do I do? Where do I start from? How can I become a business analyst? What steps do I take? So we've listed a couple of steps that would really help any individual that wants to go into business analysis or that wants to enhance their knowledge of business analysis. And we'll quickly dive through those. The first one is by learning about business analysis. There is no way you can become a business analyst without understanding what business analysis is and what business analysts do, what skills are required to become a business analyst. So the first step is to learn about business analysis. Next, you develop the business analysis skills. So for example, we talked about being able to listen, being able to communicate, being able to write, being able to analyze information, being able to solve problems. So gradually in your current role, you start developing these business analysis skills. The beautiful thing is that we all do have some of these skills in some way, shape or form. So all we need to do at this point is to sharpen those skills as opposed to start developing them. We need to sharpen them. We need to pay more attention to them. And that's a good way to become a business analyst. Another step to becoming a business analyst is by learning and practicing the business analysis techniques. So the first thing you need to do is to learn about the techniques. What techniques do BAs use or business analysts use in their day-to-day activities, and how can you start practicing them? And then the next step is to take a business analysis course. Now, one thing is, the easiest way to learn is to sit with someone that has done it before, is to spend time with someone that has the knowledge you need, that has the experience you need, that is willing to impact that knowledge and experience to you. So it's really important to take a BA course as part of your journey towards becoming a business analyst. And then lastly, by earning a business analysis certification. This, like I said earlier, this is not mandatory to get a job. However, it's important because it's more of a badge of honor. And for those looking to secure a BA role, having a business analysis certification on your resume gives you an edge. It shows that you have studied for that particular professional certification, and not just studied, but also have successfully passed, have successfully met the requirements to be crowned with that badge of honor. It is really important to earn a business analysis certification, but like I said, it's not mandatory to get a job and to start working as a business analyst. So these are some of the key steps that would help you become a business analyst. So that will help take you from wherever you are now, be it with little knowledge, a lot of knowledge, little experience, a lot of experience, to where you need to be as a good business analyst, as a gainfully employed business analyst, doing a fantastic job in your role. This brings us also to the end of module 1, where we have covered some very key pertinent topics. We started off with what is business analysis, and then we covered a brief history of business analysis, and then we looked at lesson 3, which talked about why is business analysis important. Then we looked at what do business analysts do in lesson 4. For lesson 5, we covered what are the business analysis deliverables. And in lesson 6, we looked at what skills are required to become a business analyst. Then we looked at what qualifications exist for business analysis, and that was lesson number 7. And then finally, lesson 8, we are looking at how do I become a business analyst. Now, I hope that has been extremely useful and informative for you. So look out for module number 2, where we will be going into an introduction into projects.